Good morning again, K3. Hello. Hello, everyone. Okay, so now for today, we are going to have our science class. So everyone, if you have your book with you, your science book, please get it first, all right, before we start our class. So if you have your book, I think we can now start our class for today. Can you all see my screen? Can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see it? All right. All right. Some of you are doing thumbs up, so it means you can see teacher's screen. So today, for our science class, we are still going to talk about the needs of an animal. All right? We are going to talk about the needs of an animal. But before we go to our lesson, let's have the online classroom rules first. So first we have, I will listen to teacher and follow direction. Good job. I will turn on my video or camera and I will raise my hand if I want to talk, and I sit down when using an iPad or computer. And for the last one, I will speak in English and have fun. Yes. All right, are you ready to start our science class today? Oh, Bright is here. Good morning, Bright. Good morning, Hugo. Good morning, Carissa. Hello. So today for our science class, yes, for our science class, we are going to talk about the needs of an animal. So, do you still remember what are the 4 needs of the animals? Okay, so let's go to the lesson. We have here, what do animals need to survive or live? Again, what do animals need to survive or live? So first we have here, what is that? We have we have food. Very good. Good job, right? So we have food. Animals need food to live. So right here, you can see different kinds of foods that animals eat. We have leaves, fish, bananas, vegetables, insects. Yes, insects, carrots, meat, fruits, and grass. Right? We have grass. So right here we have animals. Some animals eat grass or other plants. Again, some animals eat grass or other plants. What animal can you see on your screen? What animal is that? A cow. Very good. What animal is that? A cow. And the cow is eating what? Grass. Very good. So cow eats grass. You can see it right there on the cow's mouth right here. The cow is eating grass. All right. Now we still have here animals that eat grass. So what animal can you see on your screen? What animal? A sheep. Very good. We have sheep. So earlier we have cow. Now we have sheep. So cow and sheep eat grass or other plants. All right. And we still have one animal that eats grass. What animal can you see on your screen? Horse. Horse. Very good. So we have three animals that eat grass. We have cow, we have sheep, and we have horse. So three animals that eat grass or other plants. And how about this one? Some animals eat grains. Do you still remember? When we say, yes, when we say grains, it can be rice or seeds. All right? When we say grains, it can be rice or seeds. So right here on your screen, what kind of animal can you see here? And sheep eat. Are they eating grass or grains? Are they eating grass or grains?
Grain.
They are eating. Alright, you can see right here, they are eating grass. Yeah, so right here you can see these chicks are eating grain. So you can see right there, they are using their beak to eat the grains. All right. And another animal that eat grains. What animal can you see on your screen?
Hamster.
Hamster. Very good. So right here, hamster. Hamster eats what?
Popcorn.
Corn? Yes, it can be, but right here.
That's like a
Yes, very good, Pat.
No.
I hear that.
That's like a corn.
Yes, a corn or seed. So right here, the hamster eats seeds or corn shreds. All right, you can see it right there. Another animal that eats grains. What animal can you see on your screen? Bird. Good job. So we that eat grains too. So we have chick, hamster, and bird. So three animals that eat grains. And some animals, other animals, or smaller animals. All right. Again, some animals eat other animals or smaller animals. Like the animal that you can see. What animal is this? A shark. Very good. And shark eats what?
Big.
Fish. Very good. Sharks eat fish. Small fish. All right. Shark eats fish. Smaller fish. And another example is right here. What animal is that?
Cat.
Cat. Very good. Cat eats other animals or small animals too. What animal? All right. Fish. The cat eats fish. How about this one? What animal are they eating? What animal are they eating right here? What animal is it? Is it animal? What is it? Worm. Very good. Good job, Pan. So right here, the two chick eats worm. The two chick eats worm. So you can see right here, the two chick eats worm. So the next one. So first we have what? Food. Animals need food, and the next one is water. Very good. So we have water. So right here, animals need water to live and grow. Again, animals need water to live and grow. So what animal can you see on your screen? What animal is this? Elephant. What is the elephant? What is the elephant doing? They drink water. The animal doing? What is the animal doing? With the water.
Elephant.
The elephant drinking water or taking a bath? The animal is taking a bath or drinking water? Bath. Very good. The elephant right here is taking a bath. How about this one? The next one. What do the animals do with the water? The animals are? What are they doing? The animals are drinking water.
Drinking water.
Yes, animals are drinking water. So right here you can see the cat, the giraffe, and the dog are drinking water. So we have food.
Water.
The next one we have
Drinking water.
you two drinking water. So class, we have food, we have water. The next one is air. Good, Pat. So we have air. So animals need food, need water, and need air. Animals breathe in air. They need air in order to live. All right, you can see it here. Animals breathe in the air, just like us. Animals breathe in the air. So when we say breathe, what do you mean when you say breathe?
All the animals can people.
Yes, all right. Please don't write on the screen. Cantapon, please don't write. All right, don't write. Thank you. So here again, animals need air to breathe. All right, in order to live. So how do we do breathing? It's like this. So like animals need to breathe too. Yes, like that. Like that, right. All right, so we have 3 already. Food, water, air. What is the last one? Do you still remember the last one? What is that? Again, Famai? Very good, Famai. So we have food, water, air, and shelter. So what is the shelter? When we say shelter, it's house, all right? Animals stay in shelter house so they can rest or sleep. Right here, we have shelter. Animals stay in shelter where they can rest.
How dogs don't have a shelter? He sleep in the rain or sleep in the snow.
Yes. If the animals don't have shelter, they will get wet by the rain. You can see it right here. Animals need shelter to protect them from rain, storm, and other animals. So animals need
shelter is sick too.
Yes, if they don't have shelter, they will get sick. So again, just like us, we need shelter or house to protect us from rain, storm, and other animal. Yes, Bright.
I have big house dog.
Oh, wow. You have big. Oh, 3 dogs. All right.
I have a long house.
Okay. So again, why the animal shelter to protect from other animals?
Bag of my
Sorry.
friend.
Do you know the 3 little pigs? The 3 little pigs build their house so that the wolf cannot eat them. That's why animals need shelter or house. So we have 4. Animals need 4 things to live or survive. We have food, water, air, and shelter. So let's have it right here. So let's have this short video about the 4 needs of animals. Please don't write on the screen.
For animals to stay alive, they need 4 things I would not lie.
Don't draw. Please stop drawing on the screen.
So they can grow. They need
Yes.
so they can grow. And they need water just like so. They need shelter, a place to live. And they need air, they breathe it in. It's our job to give animals care. Sing the needs if you dare. Need 1 food. Need 2 water. Need 3 shelter. Need 4 air.
All right. So right here, please don't draw on the screen. So right here, we have activity. You can get your book. Open it to page 28. Please open your book to page 28. And again, Animals need four things to survive or live. We have food, water, air, and shelter. So right here, everyone, please get your book, your science book right here. Where is that? Right here. Please get your science book, and here we are going to have activity. Yes, so right here. All right, so get your book to science, please. Science, book 2. And everybody listen. Listen, everyone. Okay, everybody please listen. Right here, we are going to draw. All right, Yes, you have your book too. All right, very good, you go. So right here, activity 19, you are going to draw. Right here, animals need food, water, shelter, and air to live. Animals find these things in different ways. So right here, we are going to draw a picture in each boxes. So what are we going to do? We are going to draw. So right here, we have food. Food. Earlier, we talked about food. So right here, you can draw food. So what are the foods? We have grass, grains, or small animals. So you can write any or draw any of the three. You can draw small animals, grass, or grains. It's up to you. Draw small animals, grass, or grains. This one is food. Draw food. Okay, finish. You can draw grass like this. I'm sorry, I'm not really good at drawing. And you can draw grass or grain. Yes, all right, you can draw grass. How about shelter? Yes. Pig. Okay. Yes, can Sapan. Okay, next we have shelter. Shelter. When we say shelter, it's a house. You can draw a house. House. Like this.
ไอ้ที่สอนอยู่นั่นไงนี่ไงตัดเอาไว้เลยที่
This one is shelter.
ฟู้ดว่าอะไรฟู้ดอาหารอะไรไก่ย่าง
We have food and shelter. You can draw grass here, grass. And right here, shelter. Okay, finish. And the next one here is air. So how are we going to draw air? You can draw it like this. Air. You can draw air. The next one is air. Right here. And for our last box, we are going to draw water. So how are we going to draw water? So right here, you can draw it like this. Draw water. You can draw it like this, class. Water. Yes. Finish? Hello, Famai. All right. If you want, you can color your drawing. Finish? Yes, you can color your drawings. Color your drawings. So right here we have grass, shelter, air, and water.
What is food?
What is the grass? I'm so sorry. I'm not really good at drawing, Pat. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing, Pat? All right, great, very good. Finish already. Let me see it. Show it to the camera. Oh, wow, that's a grain. Yes, grain. All right, Pat is finished. Bright, finished. How about the other? Finish? All right, L finished too. Good job. How about the others? Finish? All right, if you are finished, okay. Now, finish everybody. Finish everyone. Are you finished?
No.
No?
Oh, finished.
It's all right. We only have, all right, very good, Porsche. Finish already. Good job. Finish, everybody? You're finished? Okay, I think everyone's finished. Yes, yes.
No. Look at my hair.
Let me see your hair. Very good, Famai. Good job. I cannot see it, right? All right, good. Finish, everyone. All right, very good, Bright. That's good. All right, I will now stop sharing my screen. And now it's time for us to say goodbye. Goodbye, K3. That would be all for our science subject. Bye-bye. See you on your next online class. Bye-bye. Bye.
Teacher.
Yes, bye-bye.
Look at my